Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I'm going to be unboxing for you the latest package that's come in from Fat Quarter Shop. I'm pretty sure that this is either my Hoffman Batik Fat Quarter Club or the Lori Holt. I'm not 100% sure, but it's got to be one of those two. So let's take a peek. I don't know, if you've been following along with me for a while, I have these bins back here that I love to keep full of different fabrics, and then when I get a new idea or I'm inspired, I can just pull straight out of them. And this is kind of a way for me to always backfill and have something in the back. Ooh, okay, so we've got Hoffman Batiks this time. Okay, so this is called Sweet Breeze Batik Fat Quarter Bundle. And this is the June 2024 featuring Sweet Breeze by Hoffman Fabrics, and it's curated by the Fat Quarter Shop. All right. So these are kind of a lot of browns and mints and creams. We've kind of been in the purple, blue, teal wheelhouse for the last couple months, so this will really round out kind of my backfill, if you will. So let's open up and take a peek. Okay, so this first one almost looks like fern leaves. It's really pretty dark, but it's pulling a lot of browns, fall colors, a little bit of gold. And then we've seen this print before, but not in this deep of a brown. It's got some kind of pink and mauve that's also pulling through in both of those two prints. And then this one feels like a true green, like a forest for sure. It's a little bit dark. It would be great contrast if you were looking for something to kind of fade into the background and not be like really predominant, but to give you a lot of color value. And I like that one too. That kind of feels like a spring meadow to me. It's got a bunch of different plants kind of in it, and it's not, I mean, it is repeating, but it's not repeating so quickly like, say, this one. Now this has a little bit more yellows and white and cream in it. I like that one. And then that's got quite a lot of contrast. It's really bright. It goes from quite dark to really bright, almost white. And I really do like this fern batik a lot. This one's got a creamier background. So again, it's going to have a higher contrast in that same batik style. Now here we've got one with a lot more almost lemony yellow in it. I really like that. And then some fun kind of peach, almost salmon-y color. It's kind of an orange peach. I like that a lot. And then a little bit more of the neutral, kind of the reverse of that other one that was so high contrast with the white leaves. This one's got the color on the leaves. So it doesn't feel as bold to me for some reason, maybe because overall the whole print isn't as dark. But a really great blender fabric. And then here we have another combination of those same tones. And then the white on white kind of feel. Definitely not white on white, it's creamier than that, but okay. So that is Fat Quarter bundle for Hoffman Batiks. I will probably fold this up and put it in my Hoffman box to have as backfill. But I don't know, it's kind of got my wheels turning about making something that feels a little bit foresty. I don't know. I'm thinking of that Smokey the Bear quilt, but I don't want to do anything that licensed. But I don't know. I still need to quilt that quilt. I'll shoot you guys a picture. That's the Pine Trees by Lori Holt. I can't remember. It's not Peppermint Pines. That's Erica's. But that might be fun in these prints. I don't know. If you can think of a pattern that I should make with these, I'm kind of inspired to try something like woodland. I'm thinking redwood forest and West Coast kind of rainy. I don't know. So if you can think of something, definitely link me the pattern below. I'd love to try something different, kind of get out of my wheelhouse on it. If you like watching these unboxing videos or any of my tutorials, hit that like and subscribe button. All the numbers help. I really appreciate you guys stopping by, and until next time, I will see you then.